Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. Got another vehicle we're getting ready to put up on the lot for sale. Now if you know of anyone that is in business, they need a work van, I suggest that you listen closely and please feel free to share this video. What we've got here is a 2016 Chevy Express. It's a 2500, so it's a little bit heavier duty, and it's got a 4.8 liter V8 engine in it. We'll do a complete walk around. Now you'll see here in a minute, it's got the not luggage rack, but the auxiliary rack that is up on top of the roof, so you can put ladders, pipe, a little bit of everything that's up there. It does have the third door on the side, and the tread on the tires appears to be in very good condition, and actually the body itself is in good condition. So let's go ahead and let me open the doors for you right here. Okay, so here we've got the doors open. I'm going to get up here, show you a little bit on the inside of the van. It does have storage shelves that's already placed in here, and you'll notice you've got some on both sides. Up overhead you do have lights. Actually they are on right now when you open the door, and you've got the safety shield in between. That door does open up, so you do have access to go back and forth if you choose to. So let's go ahead and continue our walk around. So we'll continue on the outside here. Now this van does have a backup camera. It's already installed. I'll show you that when we get inside. It actually displays on your rear view mirror inside. Get up here, I'll show you that rack. And your backup camera is right here, so let's open it. Okay guys, got it open now. You're going to see a lot better inside. Like I said, it does have storage bins in here. If you want to take them out, very easy to do so. Just some brackets up here, comes right out. But already has these in here if you can use them. If not, take them out, sell them, get you a little bit of money. Your jack, spare jack right there, but you do have plenty of storage space in here. So we'll continue with our walk around. You'll see the body on this is nice and clean. Get up here, you can see those racks on top. Very good tread on these tires. Actually they look almost brand new as far as the tread that's left. Don't have to worry about that. Let's take a look inside. Okay, you do have cloth interior on your seats. We will hop up here in just a moment. There you can see the LCD monitor. You got gray door panels. So let's go ahead and hop up on the inside. And right here, cruise control on your steering wheel. Okay, I've got the van running, so it's sitting here purring like a kitten. Let me show you the gauges, and the mileage as of now is 100,659 miles. And as I showed you, your cruise control is here. We go over here, you've got your climate control and your stereo system right there. You do have 3 cup holders, opens up right here for storage. You've got an electronic port 12 volt AC 120 here, and then another 12 there. But let's turn around here and I'll show you that divider. And right there is your latch to open it. Now let me go ahead and show you the rear view camera. I'm going to drop it in reverse right there. It shows up in your mirror. So nice and convenient, fantastic safety measure. So with that, I hope that if you have any questions, feel free to touch base with us. Give us a phone call. Come up, check this thing out, share the video, and we've got a lot of lenders willing to finance. So with that, hope you have a great day.